Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about how to add the times variable. Okay, like 2 hours 30 minute plus 7 hour 9 minute. What is happening is that in the current system we are going to convert all those numbers into a minutes. Like 3 hours going to be calculated in minutes, and additional the 30 minutes will also going to be added. Then the second time will going to be converted into minutes. Then we will going to add those and then divide with 60 to get the final answer. So overall it's already a very complex process. Even I'm trying to tell you, and then you can see that how difficult it is. So for that reason, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Vedic method. In that case, you don't need to convert anything in a minute. Simply you will going to follow the time constant formula, and with this time constant you just have to add it as it is. It will hardly take you 2 minutes. After understanding the concept, it will hardly take you 5 seconds to get the answer. And how it is? Let's get started. The first thing is we are going to discuss is why bother with the speed time addition. What is the problem? Then the second, addition of time. Understand with more example, and then you will have an exercise as well. So first thing is, in our daily lives, most of the time we had a very activity, and with all those activity we will trying to find the value that how much we had spent our time doing the homework, sometimes about how many times we had done the fun activities, like how many times we had done the study, how many times we had done the particular any activity in a day. So all these things we have to add every day to make ourselves productive. The problem is that when you are going to add the time, it will become difficult. Like you can see that you have to convert those numbers into hours. Like 1 hour 30 minutes you have to add with 3 hours 55 minutes. What you have to do, you have to add all these numbers into a minute first, and then you have to add, and then you have to divide it with 30 and you will get the answer. Okay, so to add the number using Vedic method, we don't have to do any conversion. How it will going to work, we're going to understand with the examples. So let's see that we have to add 1 hour 35 minutes with 3 hour 55 minutes. Okay, so in that case we are going to write down this 1 hour 35 minute as it is 135. This 3 hour 55 minutes I'm going to write down 355. Now this two number 135 and 355 we are going to add it. So after adding this 135 and 355, you can see that we got 490. This 490 is not actually a value that you are getting the answer. No, first you have to add this 490 with 40. Now you will going to say that what is this 40? So this 40 is called as time constant. Every time whatever the value you will get after addition, you will have to add the 40 in that. So after adding this value 490 plus 40, I got 530, and this is the actual result. How it is? So this first value will give you the hours, and 30 minutes is actually minutes. So what is the total time? 5 hours 35 minutes. So we don't have to do anything. Simply we will going to add the number as it is and then add the 40 and you will get the answer. Let's take one more example. Imagine you are dedicating 2 hours 30 minutes of your time to complete the homework, and then spend 1 hour 45 minutes playing the video games. Find the total time. What does this mean? It means you have to calculate the total value that you have done in with this two activity, the homework and in the playing the video games, what we are going to do. So it's very easy using the Vedic maths. What I'm going to do here, this 2 hour 35 minute I'm writing as it is 230, and this 1 hour 45 minute I'm writing 145. Simple. I'm not going to convert anything. I'm simply adding it, and after doing this addition I will got the value 375, because 5 is 0, 4 plus 3 7, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So I got 375. Now what we are going to do? So here we are going to add 40, that is the time constant, and after adding this what we will get? It will be 415. So this 415 is actually giving you the answer that 4 hours and 15 minutes. So what is the total time after addition of these two numbers, this one and this one? 4 hours 15 minutes. That's it. Let's take one more example. Addition of time 2 hours 45 minutes with 3 hours 35 minutes. That two numbers we have to add. This is the two times that we have to add. Again we are writing the number as it is, 245 this two number and 335 this two number. Then add it, so we will get 580. Now 580 will going to be added the time constant 40, so it will become 620. Now you know that what is the answer? 6 hours 20 minutes. In the regular method it will be very hard to do the calculation, because first you have to do the 2 hours into a minute. So it will be 6 into 60 into 2, that is 120, and 45 minutes is also there. So this will going to be added. then 3 hours will be 180 and remaining minute is 35. So that you have to do. Now after adding all this, you will get 165 here and you will get 215 is there. Now you will have to add this. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 1 is 7, 1 carryover is will give you 8 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Now you can see that this is a 380 minute. Okay, now this 380 minute will going to divide it by 60 to convert this 380 minute hours and minute. So if you are going to divide this, you will get 6 hours 20 minutes. If you are going to divide it, you will see that. I'm going to divide on behalf of you. This is 60, 6 times 36. As you can see that after subtracting 20 minute is the remaining and 60 minute is the 6 is the hours. So that I had written. Now this is called the regular method, and as you can see that this is very complex, but in the regular Vedic maths we don't have to do any calculation, still you will get the result very quickly. Understood? In the next topic we are going to discuss something more exciting again. So for this topic it's a very easy, just go and watch the video again if you have any confusion and solve the lot of question. If you are going to go to the website, solve some of the question, puzzles, quiz on the website, and then you will come up with the doubt. If you have any doubt, we'll have a doubt session and there you will going to clear the doubts. So hopefully it will be very useful to you. I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye everyone.